BNB Chain introduces $10 million fund to incentivize project growth on the blockchain. BNB Chain is making things happen, and let's talk more about this information right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. This is the Captain, and this is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Now, BNB Chain, one of the world's most actively used blockchain by daily active users, have introduced a $10 million fund to help projects with user acquisition and growth. I love that. A company representative told CoinDesk. Now, the program, known as the Growth Incentivized Program, will initially support 10 projects in the fourth quarter, with gas incentivizes up to 800 BNB tokens a month in total. Not bad. In addition, individual projects can receive $1 million a month to cover fees spent on gas, the transaction fee paid to blockchain networks, validator to their services, or validators for their services. Now, through this growth incentivized program, BNB aims to support projects at various stages of growth and provide direct support for the user acquisition, the investment director at BNB Chain said, Gwendolyn Regina. Qualification criteria for the program require that project achieve a baseline target daily active users every month that consistent with proof of growing user adoption. Now, this is all good news. BNB doing something for the community and for other projects to help them with their growth. Only projects already deployed on the chain are eligible, but they can be at any stage of their journey as long as they have shown consistent user growth. Consistent user growth. So BNB is helping out other projects out, support 10 projects in the fourth quarter, and I hope this continues even in 2023 and beyond. So we need like big chains like this, like BNB chains, to help out other projects with adoption and growth each and every single day. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. This is the Captain, and you are watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.